This is the Vivo V23e. It's the 4G version and the processor inside the smartphone is the Mediatek Helio G96 chipset. It comes standard with 8GB of RAM that can be expanded to 12GB of RAM. Wow. I mean, just look at it. The Vivo V23e is a beautiful slim smartphone. It's packing some really interesting features. And in this video, I'm going to share with you what is awesome about this smartphone and what is not. So let's get started. Now, the Vivo V23e comes in two versions, the 4G and the 5G variant. If 5G isn't written on the box like this one, it's most likely the 4G version. Opening it up, the first thing you're going to see is the smartphone. The color I have here is called Sunshine Coast and it also comes in Moonlight Shadow. At 172 grams, this is one of the lightest mid-range smartphones I have ever held and it's also slim. Back to the box, it comes to the same ejector tool, warranty card, silicone case, earphones, a 3.5mm audio jack to USB Type-C adapter, a USB Type-C cable and a 44 watts fast charger. For the charging time for my test, the 44 watts fast charger charged this smartphone from 0 to 100% in 1 hour 6 minutes, which is fast. Now let's talk about the build quality and man, this smartphone is slim. It's an easy smartphone to hold, it's lightweight and it doesn't attract fingerprints, which is awesome. Now the rear of this smartphone is made from glass, the sides are made from plastic and the front doesn't have Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Is the Vivo V23e water resistant? Well, no. But I have dipped this smartphone inside water and it survived. Please guys, do not try this at home. Now moving to the external features, the Vivo V23e comes with two microphones. One is at the top while the other is at the bottom. It has a hybrid SIM card and memory card tray, which means you can either use two SIM cards or one SIM card and a memory card. It has a USB Type-C port and a mono speaker. On the right side is where the volume keys and power button are located. Now if you're wondering where the fingerprint scanner on this smartphone is located, well, it's located on the display, and just like the Vivo V21, the fingerprint scanner on this smartphone is accurate and extremely fast. The face unlock feature is also present and it works in the dark. Switching to the rear, the Vivo V23e comes with 3 cameras, a 64MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro camera. There is also a flash LED light by the side of the cameras. Moving to the front, it comes with a 50MP selfie camera inside that ancient-looking notch. In 2022, this looks old school, but it does take amazing pictures and more on that to come when we get to the camera section of this video. For the display, the Vivo V23e has a 6.44-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. It's a full HD plus display with a 20:9 aspect ratio and it's very sharp and contrasty. For the sad part, the refresh rate on this beautiful display is 60Hz and this breaks my heart because there are cheaper smartphones in the market that come with a 90Hz refresh rate. Using the smartphone outdoors under direct sunlight is good. When I measured the brightness, I got a reading of 890 nits and this makes it a very bright display for a budget smartphone. For consuming media on YouTube, Netflix, the display is quite good. The colors pop, contrast is good. The size of the screen and the weight of this smartphone makes it an easy smartphone to hold for long hours, but the lack of dual stereo speakers hinders the experience for me. Now let's talk about the performance on this smartphone. The Vivo V23e comes with a Mediatek Helio G96 chipset. It's a 12nm processor and it's fast. With this processor, the Vivo V23e offers smooth, sustained high performance, faster upload time and reliable mobile connection. The Vivo V23e also comes with 8GB of RAM that can be expanded to 12GB of RAM and this allows it to retain a lot of applications in the background. I was able to open all the applications installed on this smartphone and it didn't reload one of them. Now that's impressive. For gaming, it has an ultra game mode where you can increase the performance, take screenshots or block calls from interrupting your gameplay. The GPU on board this smartphone is the Mali G57 and it played PUBG on HD graphics and high frame rate, which is what most budget smartphones run the game at. For Call of Duty, the Vivo V23e played the game at medium graphics and high frame rate. Now looking at the graphic settings of PUBG and Call of Duty, the Vivo V23e isn't a gaming smartphone. I mean, it can play games, but if I'm going for a gaming competition, I wouldn't pick this smartphone. Now let's talk about the cameras. The front-facing camera on the Vivo V23e is a 50MP shooter and as you can see, it takes detailed pictures. The skin tones produced by the front-facing camera is pleasing guys, I really love the pictures this smartphone captures. Portrait shots looks very good. Now for places where there isn't enough light, pictures captured are average, but overall I think the front-facing camera on this smartphone is very good. What's up guys, so here's a video from the front-facing camera of the Vivo V23e. It shot in 1080p 30 frames per second. And what do you guys think about the video quality and the audio quality coming out from the 15 megapixel front-facing camera? Okay, the front-facing camera has a feature called steady face, so let me just run and see how well it does in stabilizing the footage. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad considering I was just jogging. So yeah, this is steady face on the Vivo V23e. Now moving to the rear camera, the 64 megapixel main camera takes good pictures as well. The photos look contrasty and sharp. The 8 megapixel ultra wide camera doesn't do a good job and the photos are not sharp when you zoom in. For the third camera, which is the macro camera, if you know what you're doing, it can take very good pictures, but for the average person, photos are going to look like this. Now video on the rear camera isn't great. Hopefully a software update would improve this. So right now I'm using the rear camera of the Vivo V23e. Outdoors the video quality wasn't that good, so right now I'm standing in front of a big light source. So how does the video quality compare? Is it better? Let me know in the comment section below. John, say hello to YouTube. So guys, what do you guys think about the video quality coming out from the rear camera of the Vivo V23e? Shooting in 1080p 30 frames per second. How is the video quality? How is the audio quality? How is the handle dynamic range? Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this quality in the comment section below. For the battery, the Vivo V23e comes with a 4050 mAh battery, and I know what you're thinking, the battery size is too small, but Vivo smartphones are well optimized and you'll be shocked how many hours you can get from that small battery. For my usage, I got around 6 hours screen on time with this smartphone, and in my books that's decent because I'm a heavy user. Charging the smartphone is really fast. It took the 44 watts fast charger 1 hour 6 minutes to charge the smartphone from 0 to 100%, and in the smartphone world, that's fast. And now let's talk about the price. The Vivo V23e goes for 159,900 naira or $280, and that's expensive. For the positives, the build quality is great, the display quality is awesome, the front-facing camera takes amazing pictures, multitasking on this smartphone is top class, and the charging time on this smartphone is really fast. For the negatives, well, the price for one is a bit high, the refresh rate is at 60 Hz, it doesn't have stereo speakers, and the notch in 2022 looks outdated. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you found this video to be useful. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Thank you for watching once again, and I will see you guys very soon. Follow Reviews, signing out.